Welcome back again to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to understand, learn and discuss about the array, and till now we have discussed the switch case, user defined exceptions and many more topics which are very important because they all are coming in interviews, because interviewer is going to ask the question from these topics, and every time you will face these things while you are doing live tasks also. So these all are the important topics, and today we are going to discuss about array already you know a little bit, but let me discuss about these things and understand this briefly. So let's start. Okay, and if you are first time on channel, so please subscribe to channel, and don't forget to share with those who need this video. Okay, so let's start. So before going to start, let's understand what is array. Okay, what is array actually? So array, you can, in simple word you can say array is a bucket type, okay, where we are going to store value of single type. Okay, you can say, means it's like you will go to your kitchen and you will see there like there are the particular type of bucket is available in which sugar is contained, particular type of bucket is where only salt is contained. So same is like same here also, like there are the many type of buckets, and in every bucket only single type data will contain, like that's a character type means character type, if it's integer type means integer type, if it's float type means float type, byte type means byte. So like this the data will contain. Okay, so you can see it here, like I have created the float array. Okay, I have created here the int array. Same like you can create the character array also and many more. Okay, so it will go as like this, and you can say in like you can say in a formal way also, an array is a container object that holds a fixed number of value of a single type. Okay, so fixed number of value and single type we will discuss. Single type I just explained to you, like here this is a single type, like I have passed here integers value. Okay, so if I will pass something else like 6.5 float, it will show error to us because it's hold only integer type value. Okay, if I'll pass it here something else, like I will pass here character or something, it will show error because it's hold only integer type. So it's always hold single type value. If it's integer type, it will hold integer type. It's float type means it will hold float type value only. This is okay, and it has a fixed number of value, like holds a fixed number of value. Okay, so fixed number of value, what this means, fixed number of value. Okay, let's understand this one. So like see here, in array always the counting, or you can say the 0th place, first place, so index value always start from 0, like this is the 0th place, this is the first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Okay, so this way the values is going here. If I will try to print here something else like fourth place, I told you 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Okay, fourth place. If I will try to find here fifth place, it will show error to us. Okay, if I will run this one, okay, because here I am printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 value. Okay, so for this it will work because I have given here less than 5 because the length is fixed. Okay, it's 0 to 4th only, so less than 5 means it will work. If I will type here integer fifth value or integer something value, because that does not exist here, so if I will find here, obviously it will show the error. Or if I am trying to go for this also, like you can see I have created here like fifth float integer 5, but I have typed here the length is 5. Length is 5 means it will go to 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you will count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 is ending here itself. Okay, if I will try to get some values after that, it will show error to me. Okay, so you can see here I have changed this one, float array 5. Okay, and 9.0 float. I am printing here this value also, so it will give error to me. I can show you here. If I will run this one, you will see the error here. Okay, so it's giving error. What is the error? See here, the index out of bond length 5 at computer different programming means it's saying index 5 out of the bond of the length 5. Okay, so if I will make it comment here, it will go to the next error, and the next error is this one because I am trying to print something its value. Okay, so let's see if I am typing here 6. Okay, you can understand well. Run as Java application. Okay, so you will see here item array, first one is printed, but second one exception in thread main. Okay, index 6 out of bound, okay, length 5, because the length is only up to 5 only, 0 1 2 3 4, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 5 only, but I'm trying to print something which is out of range, okay, index 6 out of bound, okay. So it will give error to me. If I will remove this one, okay, so it will give the proper response to me, or I will print here something value like 4 or 3, it will give the proper response to me. So you can see I have changed here and I am printing third value, okay, and let's run this one and see the value, okay. So you can see it here, like we have got the proper value, and I will explain this how we are getting this value, okay. So for int array I have passed here 5 2 4 5 6, okay, and I am getting here value like system.out.println item of the integer array, okay. Integer array, how I will get the integer array value, I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So continue this video because I am going to explain something more about this, okay. So I have give the range here, I less than 5, I plus plus. So see here, if I am printing some values, okay, more than this, like I will pass something value, okay, and I want value till 5 only, so I will give the condition like I need value less than 5 only, so it will give the I less than 5, I plus plus value, okay. So you can apply the you can apply the condition here also, like you have the long length or big bucket of array. If you want the particular range of value, so you can go from this way, okay, like integer I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and something else, okay. If you want to pick the value for particular place, so how you will pick, I pass here 3, integer array third value, so 0 1 2 3, third value is 5, so it's give 5, fifth value here, okay. So you can pick particular range value also, you can pick particular value also, okay, and you can pass your value in that way also, like here you have defined the length, okay, 5 length you have defined, and here you have passed the value, but like 0th place will come 2.5, first place will come 2.7, and as it is, okay. So it's giving here your item of the float array value, okay. So you have printed here the item of your float array value, and simply for float item float array value, okay, and then system.out.println item. So how you have defined that, float item and colon your float array value, okay. So this way you can print your float array value. So I have just explained some more points to you related to these things. You can go for the character array also, like there are the many, means as much variable, you know, if you have followed the video, you already know the more than 8 variables, okay. So you can print those variable in array form also, and you can go for this. And why I'm just saying this is very important topic, because whenever you go for the live task, you are not going to handle with a single variables, you are going to handle the multiple values also. So every time we are handling, means whenever we are going for project, every time we are getting the multiple like a big bucket of data, and we are just converting them into array and picking the values as per requirement. So this is very important topic. So you need to know the different way to get your values. There are the many ways to, and this is the topic to make you understand about the array, and then you can go for this, you can clear your interview also on the basis of this. So because if you are fresher, they are not going to ask too much, they only need you have idea or not, you have idea about array or not, means in array how the value we are picking, how the values are going, okay. Because I told you, like in array the values will go, first place will call at 0th, first, second, third, fourth. It will not go like 1 2 3 4 5 this way. It will go first place, it will count as a 0, first, second, third, like this, as, okay. You can see it here also, 0th place, first place, second place, third place, fourth place, okay. In that way arrays values are going, and it's only hold a single type of data, and it has a fixed length also, fixed number of values, okay. Here I pass the float value is 5, so it will go to 5 only, it will go up to 5 only, okay. So these are the some basic points you should know before going to clear your interview, okay. So all the best, take care, bye bye.